Hello everyone, I am Kuldeep Kumar, Faculty of Department of Management Sciences in Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on functions of HR manager. Human resource managers are essential to the successful operations and growth of any organization. They are responsible for managing people in a way that supports the organization's goals while also ensuring employee satisfaction and legal compliance. The main function of HR managers can be classified into operational and non operational categories. Number one, human resource planning. HR managers anticipate the organization future staffing needs based on business goals and market trends. This includes forecasting demand and supply of labor, identifying skill gaps, and developing workforce plans to ensure the organization has the right people at the right time. Number two, recruitment and selection. One of the core responsibility of HR managers is to attract, screen, and hire qualified candidates. This includes preparing job descriptions, posting job advertisements, review applications, conducting interviews, and making hiring decisions. Effective recruitment ensures a strong workforce foundation. Number three, training and development. HR managers design and implement training programs to improve employees' skills and knowledge. They also focus on leadership development and succession planning to prepare employees for future roles. Regular development keeps employees motivated and enhance overall productivity. Number four, performance management. Managing employee performance is critical. HR managers establish performance standards, conduct evaluations, and provide feedback. They help set individual and team goals with organizational objectives and may also implement reward systems to recognize high performance. Number five, compensation and benefits. HR managers develop and manage compensation structures including salaries, incentives, bonus, and benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and leave policies. They aim to offer packages that attract and retain talent while maintaining internal equity and budget control. Number six, employee relations. Creating a positive work environment is a key function. HR managers handle grievances, resolve conflicts, and promote effective communication between employees and management. They may also develop policies related to workplace behavior, diversity, and inclusion. Number seven, compliance with labor laws. HR managers ensure the organization to follow all relevant employment laws and regulations, such as those related to minimum wage, working hours, anti-discriminations, workplace safety, and employee rights. Non-compliance can result in legal penalties and reputational damage. Number 8. Health and safety. HR is often responsible for workplace safety initiatives. This includes conducting safety training, ensuring compliance with health regulations, and managing programs related to employee wellness and mental health. Number 9, role. Modern HR managers are partners in business planning. They contribute to organizational design, culture development, and fostering innovation. Number 10, succession planning. To ensure leadership and critical roles, HR managers are responsible for succession planning. They identify high potential employees and prepare them for future leadership positions through targeted development programs. Succession planning minimizes disruptions and ensure the organization has a strong leadership pipeline for a long-term stability. Number 11, HR policy development and implementation. The HR manager develops and enforces HR policies, workplace behavior, and outline the rights and responsibilities of employees and employers. These policies cover a wide range of topics including attendance, conduct, performance, grievance, redressal. Clear and consistent policies help create a fair and transparent workplace. Number 12, diversity and inclusion. Promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion is increasingly becoming a priority for HR managers. They create policies and programs that ensure fair treatment and equal opportunities for all employees, regardless of race, gender, age, religion, or other characteristics. HR managers also conduct training to raise awareness about unconscious bias and foster an inclusive culture where all employees feel valued and respected. Number 13, technology and HR system management. Modern HR managers must be adept at using HR technology such as human resource information systems. These systems automate processes such as payroll, attendance, leave tracking, and performance management. HR managers are responsible for implementing and maintaining these systems to improve efficiency and data accuracy. They also train employees on how to use HR platforms effectively. Number 14, employee engagement and retention. Retaining top talent is essential for business and success. HR managers design and implement employee engagement programs that boost motivation and job satisfaction. These can include programs, surveys, wellness initiatives, and career development opportunities. Understanding the needs of employees and fostering a culture of appreciations help reduce turnover and increase loyalty. At last, conclusion. HR managers wear many hats, balancing administrative duties with responsibilities. From hiring and training to policy development and compliance, they are crucial in building a productive, legally compliant, and motivated workforce. Their ability to manage people effectively plays a significant role in the overall success and sustainability of the organization. I hope you understand this topic, and please like, share, and subscribe Tecnia TV for more videos.